Hmm. Day 2 in Maui. 5 o'clock in the morning, we're out here walking already. Wow, look at the wave. Hmm.
You burn more calories.
Yeah.
You know that?
No, they say if you walk in the sand, it's very healthy for you. With barefoot. I think we should walk with barefoot.
Or take the shoe off.
Yeah. You see that spot right there? Every night, it's the tradition. They have
Yeah, to
person jump into the water.
Cái nào different resort rồi hay là this resort?
Different resort.
Different.
Yeah. What? Water. That's a big wave. Uh-huh.
Hey, the people
Huh?
homeless.
Homeless. Homeless.
Homeless hả?
Here come. Ooh. Yeah, that's a very strong one. Another one. Yeah. Wow. Okay, right here. Yeah, it's okay. Em, can you go down a little bit? It's okay.
This one big.
Ooh.
This one big, you know that?
Uh-huh.
This one's small. Mày cứ làm chi đó? Mày đừng sợ gì. Chụp cánh ra xuống.
That's really cool. You go right up to the sand loam. Wow, that's really cool, huh?